What if I told you that one AI can write your homework, another can help you code, and a third can even search the internet in real time? The crazy part? Most people only know one AI while they're missing tools that can save hours every single day. In this video, I'll show you the 3 best AI chat apps in 2026, what each one does best, and which one deserves a place on your phone. Make sure you stay until the end because my number 1 pick is the one I use the most. Artificial intelligence has changed the way we study, work, and create content. But not every AI chatbot is built for the same purpose. Some are better for writing, some are better for research, and some are better for programming. Let's start with number 3. Number 3, Microsoft Copilot 035 to 130. Microsoft Copilot is powered by advanced AI and is deeply connected with Microsoft products like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Windows. If you're a student or office worker, Copilot can summarize long documents, create presentations, write emails, and even analyze Excel data in seconds. For example, go to Microsoft Copilot and create a PowerPoint about AI. One of its biggest advantages is that it works smoothly inside the Microsoft ecosystem. However, if you don't use Microsoft apps very often, you may not get the full benefit. Best for students, office workers, business users, Microsoft Office users. Number 2, Google Gemini 130 to 225. Next is Google Gemini. Gemini shines when it comes to searching for information, understanding images, and connecting with Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Docs. You can upload pictures, ask questions about them, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, or even plan trips. For example, write anything you want. Because it's integrated with Google's ecosystem, it feels very convenient for Android users. Its biggest strength is how naturally it works with Google's apps and online information. Best for research, school, work, Google Workspace users. Everyday productivity number 1, ChatGPT 225 to 340. And finally, my number 1 recommendation is ChatGPT. ChatGPT has become one of the most versatile AI assistants available today. It can write articles, generate YouTube scripts, explain difficult topics, translate languages, solve math problems, brainstorm business ideas, create programming code, and even help you prepare for interviews. What makes ChatGPT stand out is its ability to understand detailed instructions and produce high-quality answers. For examples, write best YouTube scripts and done. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, student, programmer, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can save you a huge amount of time. It's like having a personal assistant available 24 hours a day. If I could only keep one AI app on my phone, this would be it. So, here's the final ranking. 3rd place, number 3, Microsoft Copilot. 2nd place, number 2, Google Gemini. 1st place, number 1, ChatGPT. The best AI for you depends on what you want to accomplish. If you're already using one of these apps, let me know your favorite in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI tools, tech tips, and money-making content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.